हॉलिवूडाचो म्हालगडो कलाकार मायकल डगलस हांकां आयज इफीन मानाचो येवकार दिलो। आपल्या फॅमिली बरोबर आयिल्लो मायकलान भारत आनी गोंया बद्दल आपलो अणभव सांगलो। मायकल डगलस इफीच्या समारोप सुवाळ्यात सत्यजीत रे जीवन गौरव पुरस्कार भेटयतले।
Yes, well, it's always a pleasure to be in India, but this is my first time in the South. My son Dylan and Catherine, we've been several times to India before, but mostly in the North, so we're looking forward to our time in the South. And not only am I enjoying this great honor, but I get to celebrate my friend Shalindra's 25th anniversary in the business, and he gave me this beautiful jacket. I think from Rajasthan. Right?
Yes,
from
yes.
Rajasthan. And so it's a beautiful day, and thank you so much for everybody being here and supporting the festival. The festival's ending tomorrow, so we're here at the end of the festival. But I think it's so exciting. It's an international festival that you had over 78 countries represented here, you know? And Shalindra says, we talked about it a lot, movies, film, cinema brings our worlds together very closely. And you have a big history here in India with the movies.
I do come to home when I come to India. When I fly in, I get that little goosebumps. I just love the country and the people so very much.
What about the cinema? Are you a fan of Indian cinema?
I
Any favorite
am.
actors?
Well, I grew up, I think I've said it before, but my children were brought up watching Om Shanti Om on a loop. Not just once. And then they'd bring all their school friends over and say, do you want to watch an Indian movie? My mom loves this movie, and I really love it too. And then, of course, I mean, there's so many great movies that I've been able to watch. Not as many as I should have been, but now with streaming and film being, crossing over so much, people are getting to see more of the greatness of Indian movies. A movie that I love was directed by Mr. Batra. It was called The Lunchbox. It was one of my favorite movies forever, and it's still one of my favorite movies of all time. I just thought it touched me so much. It was so well acted, so well directed, and it was a story that was so fundamentally Indian, but it connected to women and men all over the world. It connected to me as a woman.